killed it. It's dead now, but
it was probably old.
I would trade you straight across. The bowl, it's got pink pebbles in it, everything. I'll trade you straight up for this thing.
Oh, did you hear something clink down in there?
Something fell out. Oh, oh.
Custom thing, and there's not a one-off custom solution for it, but...
I know where we are. That's where Ed Donkey's bed is.
He's, like I said, he might... Hi. What's up, dude? What are you doing? Do you have any snacks at your house?
When are you guys getting here?
We'll probably be there in what, like maybe like 15, 20 minutes?
I'm just doing engine shit.
Nice, dude.
Yeah. It's totally up to you. I don't care. I'll be here. Split my balls off.
Rad. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit.
Thank you.
Bye. It's like herding cats, dude. Some behind the scenes action.
On the bowl and torque it with the boxer tools, torque wrench to 250. How are you guys?
Good, dude. I'm
Blake.
David.
Pleasure to meet you, man.
Kevin.
What's up, dude? Blake.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Zigging and zagging amongst a bunch of things today. She's been hammered.
Hammerhead.
Aw, dude, it's not that bad. It's been good to her. Well, I have. You might not.
People might have seen this on the Hoonigan Build and Battle where me and Kevin built this whole thing in 3 weeks, and we haven't really changed anything except the engine that we blew up.
And the front axle that I bent at the Hoonigan burn yard.
This thing's had a Lincoln locker in it. We went to Fiesta Island for the Fiesta pre-runners / Terra Crew meetup recently, and
Blake didn't protect the air pressure in the tires, and we had a little bit of low pressure on one side, and I think might have had something to do with it.
That.
Yeah, one side was a little low.
we lost forward drive. So we're up in Ramona, which is about an hour at least from the beach. So I clicked it into 4 high and just limped her home with front wheel drive.
You guys are probably gonna find all kinds of good stuff in that case when you take it apart.
So we're gonna do it proper this time and let Bent Motorsports fix it. That's why they're here. As you probably saw when you walked up to the shop, shit everywhere. So sometimes we need to focus on what we have on our plate, and there's companies that can assist us with getting things fixed.
Sometimes we just gotta hand it over to the professionals when it comes to this stuff.
I don't know if we can. I don't know if she has more room to put any more welds in there. So like, if you didn't get all the galvanizing off, there's several spots where I got scars on my body from, and probably my nuts from just. Yeah, I think you're in them too. So I think half of them do.
Oh, what was the trade?
You've got one solid fish that straight across.
Oh yeah, so Curtis.
Solid fish?
Curtis says.
Like a tuna fish?
No, beta. I killed it. It's dead now,
It was
but
probably old.
I would trade you straight across. The bowl, it's got pink pebbles in it, everything. I'll trade you straight up for this thing.
Trying to make it to where it's getting used more. You're gonna have to talk to him about it. We haven't got a deposit yet, so I might need to see this fish bowl before.
Ooh,
It's got a taco in it.
it's pretty sweet.
Let's do this.
We'll give it some love, Fern.
Step up to the plate, dude.
Before we do that though, also just with everything going on, we have that Hoonigan this versus that where we have to race Michael Cox
Rematch.
one last time in the Hammerhead. Since that Build and Battle series, we took him on the first one. He was supposed to sell his. He sold it to himself.
They were gonna sell theirs, but we all pitched in, the 4 of us, so we can keep them both. That's what happened. So
But
it
we
was-
won, so we got to keep ours either way.
Right. But we were good
We're
sports about it. Yeah.
Most people probably don't even know that. Michael, we got you. And
Top
Ben,
secret.
we got you. This is the key, dude. It's in front wheel drive right now.
Sick.
I think it's in front high.
Dude, have you seen our
So-
trailer to get this thing loaded up?
Oh yeah, you know me know something about these guys.
It lowers to the ground.
It's all hydraulic. We got it from your boy Ray. Over
ATC.
a complete,
Yep.
complete trailer. Yeah, the whole thing literally goes down the ground.
That's what's
Yeah,
up.
let's
I've
see this.
seen all their aluminum stuff, and it looks pretty badass.
Is there one on each side, Hannah, or just one?
No, it's
that
just this
one.
one.
That
One
makes
and
it
done.
easy.
Here you go, Hannah. Drive it on.
Oh God.
I don't fit in
You know
that.
how to work clutch?
You put it in the low, it'd be easier.
I can barely reach the pedals.
Got it.
Oh no.
You're great. That Motorsports is here picking it up. That's what's up. That's sick. Overhead's gonna be better than ever, dude. Yeah, I'm stoked.
First of all, Kevin.
Good to meet you guys.
Went over the wheel stops and
Hey, did we make sure to ask Blake if the door opens?
The window's open.
He said you have to just slam it really hard, remember?
Yeah, I think I slammed it too hard.
you gotta be. I think you have to do one of the foot and pull it in.
How you gonna
Hey,
do that?
don't show this to Blake.
She falls backwards.
Dude, I ate so many spider webs when I jumped in this thing earlier. I had to conquer my fear of spiders real fucking quick. Also, came away with a cool new fanny pack, sponsored by none other than Shreddy. Okay? Shout out Shreddy.
Toss it.
Yeah. It's so cool. Okay. Seriously, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm like tiptoeing it, dude. Like I am pushing it to make sure that I have the clutch all the way in.
Jesus.
Yeah.
They still make yellow pages.
We need some 2x4s.
Welcome home.
She's TikToking, hold on.
All right, Hammerhead is safe and sound back at Bet Motorsports. Next week, we're gonna do a full video, start to finish, on the rebuild. You are not gonna believe what comes out of the rear differential. Stay tuned. And a huge thank you to Ray and the whole team over at Complete Trailers in Oceanside. They have got some awesome travel trailers, overland trailers, stacker trailers, and the hydraulic flatbed that you saw in this video. They even sell dirt bikes, street bikes, quads, side-by-sides, and more. Everything comes serviced and ready to ride. Find them on Instagram or on their website, CompleteTrailers.com.
So everybody at Bet knows how to do gears, even Carlos. But Hannah's the newest member of the team, so she's going to learn how to do gears. And what better vehicle to learn how to do gears on than Blake's clapped out, fucked up 8.8 Ford rear end that's been welded.